Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So today we are going to do chapter 10, that is Bapu Ki Seekh. In this chapter we will study about 3 memoirs. These memoirs are समय का महत्व, importance of time. किसकी है? गंगा यमुना. Whose is Ganga Yamuna? And the third memoir of Gandhi Ji is जीविकोपार्जन में खद्दर की उपयोगिता, that is utility of खद्दर to earn living. So in these 3 memoirs we will learn 3 things. We will study about 3 things. First is हमें समय के महत्व को समझना चाहिए. So in the first memoir we will learn that we should understand the importance of time. And in the second memoir we will learn that we should never waste and misuse the natural resources. In the third memoir we will study that हमें आधुनिक उद्योगों की अपेक्षा लघु उद्योगों को प्राथमिकता देनी चाहिए. We should give priority to small scale industries over modern industries. So students, first can you please tell me who was Gandhi Ji? Yes, he was father of nation, Rashtrapita. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi Ji had a special attachment with India, Indian natives and Indian language. Gandhi Ji used to follow the time strictly. According to him, if you will respect time, then only you will get success. We should understand the importance of time. We should never waste even a small unit of time. Once he was going on a journey of UP with his grandson Kanti. He was sitting in a train and he asked his grandson, what is the time? Then his grandson Kanti said, it's 5 o'clock. Suddenly Gandhi Ji saw that there is still 1 minute left for 5 o'clock. Then he said to his grandson, then what is the use of wearing a watch if you are not telling a right time? This thing should not be repeated in your future. Now we will come to second memoir, that is whose is Ganga Yamuna. Once Gandhi Ji was in Allahabad with Nehru Ji and other volunteers. One day in the morning he was washing his hands and mouth and suddenly he was unhappy when he had to take some more water to wash his hands and mouth. Then other volunteers said that Gandhi Ji, don't be upset, we are in Allahabad. Here is the Triveni Sangam where there is a shortage of water. Then he explained them that Ganga Yamuna is not only for me, it is for everyone. We should not misuse or waste the natural resources which we have in abundance. We should use them properly, whether we are having our natural resources in abundance or in shortage. Now we will come to third memoir, that is utility of Khaddar to earn living. Gandhi Ji used to say Khaddar is the soul of India. He gave priority to small scale industries over modern industries. Once he went to Bengaluru for his health benefit. There some girls came to meet him. Then he explained those girls that we should wear Khaddar and if we will buy Khaddar from the poor people who spin the Khaddar, they will get their basic needs. They will get money to buy their basic needs, that is sugar, salt and spices. So I hope this all is clear to you. The whole chapter is clear to you. So we will meet in next video. Thank you.